addressed to me.
That one's addressed to me.
Mm-hmm.
They're from Lemon Drop.
Lemon Drop
Gifts.
Gifts.
Ooh.
Ever heard of the company?
No. I think Mom talks about them a little bit. Ooh.
Nice wrapping. We get cards.
Very nice. Polka dot wrapping.
Yes. We should keep this for Mother's Day.
Yes. So,
Ooh, tea.
what type of tea did you get?
Got tea from Tea Forte. Heard a lot of great things about this company.
And they're organic too.
Mm-hmm.
What type of tea did you get?
There's a chocolate rose black tea, strawberry hibiscus, green mango peach, vanilla pear. Ooh, I'm trying the vanilla
Oh,
one.
that one sounds good.
And then there's a chamomile citron.
So in mine, I got truffles. They look really good.
You plan on sharing those with Mom?
Maybe.
Mm-hmm.
And what else did you get?
I got perfect biscuits that I can have with my tea.
Those are so good. I've had them before.
Ooh.
And this next one, ooh, this box is adorable. It comes with but
For
it's
wrapping.
for some sort of.
It's from San Francisco Soap Company.
Huh.
It is peppermint foot cream and ultra soft night socks.
Comes with a pair of socks.
Oh,
Very nice.
Ooh, nice and cozy.
And inside is the foot cream. And a nice glass jar.
Easy to open.
Yes. Oh, it's actually pink.
And I think
And whoa, that smells like peppermint. I'm definitely gonna use this.
I'm pretty sure it would help us after we do karate because our feet ache so much from them.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And I'm probably gonna try the T4K tea tonight.
Yep.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Mother's Day is coming up, right?
Yeah, I think that's the next holiday. I think Mom would like one of these.
You
For
should
Mother's
get.
Day.
Yep, Lemon Drop Gifts has what you need for your mom on Mother's Day.
Or Father's Day. Thank you for watching.